Welcome to Sprockets and Shafts. Today I'm going to show you my latest upgrade on my Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory, and this is basically to replace them horrible dated yellow halogen bulbs with some more modern LED ones. Didn't quite understand why in 2018 Aprilia never put LEDs on like many other manufacturers, but hey ho, you can't win them all. So these bulbs I'm going to replace today will be a 6000K cool white beam and hopefully improve the vision at night and the general cosmetics and look during the day. So for this job there will be no tools required whatsoever, and they only take about 5 or 10 minutes. A little bit fiddly with the clips which seat on the back of the bulbs like they do with the normal OEM halogens, but quite straightforward job. Now I'm not saying that these are the best ones on the market by any means, but they are an affordable alternative. Now just to confirm that these are actually in fact a H7 bulb for anyone that's not sure, and as you can see from the picture just right now, this is the dual ball bearing cooling fan that you can see, which apparently runs at around about 12,000 RPM, and it also comes with a metal protective base. As you can now see from this next picture, this is the new LED bulb in situ and clips in. It has a built-in LED driver and around, they say, 30,000 plus hours of life expectancy. Using these on a different vehicle or a vehicle that has CAN bus, you will need to purchase the additional CAN bus error cancellers, but this will be an extra cost, of course. Now when you plug the connector in, which as you can just see at the bottom of the screen now, they are a 2-pin plug. There's nothing to be changed, you just literally plug it straight into the loom of the bike, and if for some reason when you turn the lights on it doesn't work, it's just because the pins have to be in a certain polarity. So all you do, you unplug it, you spin it round and you plug it back in again, and that will definitely sort it. And it's just to note also that when you do this, if you do get it the wrong way around initially, no damage will take place, so don't worry about that. So here you can see a photograph taken from the front of the bike, which goes through basically the front of the headlight lens, just so you can see the bulb protruding through from the rear and what you can see in the headlight basically. And the LEDs. Now the LED you can see there on the side, there is also an LED on the opposite side, and this can be swiveled 360 degrees to give you whatever beam angle you require. So a reverse shot again, which shows you the connector in the bottom of the rear of the headlight housing, and the clips to the left hand side, which you have to clip in to make sure the bulb's secure. Now after fitting these, just briefly, as you can see a shot now, they look so much more modern with the cool white look. I'm really pleased with them, and for £25, I think it was around £25.99 delivered, I think it's a bargain. Just quickly going to mention the dimensions. The overall dimension is 72mm in length. The width of the fan or the base is 32mm, and the LED tip width is 11mm. A standard halogen bulb is approximately 57mm in total length and an 11mm tip width. A couple more pictures to show you the end result with the headlights. But remember to put the black plastic cap back on the rear of the headlight housing, which I haven't shown on this video. So this is what you get in the box. The connectors, as you can see, with helpful stickers on saying if they don't work then switch the plug round. And again, please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and if there's any requests or questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. Thanks everybody, see ya.